There is a wonderful railway line that runs along the Taranaki Plain, which is mostly parallel to State Highway 3, and yet there are only 2 scheduled trains daily, one in the morning travelling north and one in the evening travelling south. Waka Kotahi's State Highway traffic monitoring shows on State Highway 3 in the little community of Taranaki, the annual average daily traffic flow is 10,219 vehicles. 11.7% are heavy traffic. That is 1,195 trucks a day. And this is what it looks like. The negative impacts of heavy traffic on our roads: excessive noise, high emissions, damaged roads. For example, a 50 max truck applies as much stress to a road as 1,582 cars. Increased accidents. Trucks are involved in 20% of fatal road accidents, while only making up 7% of the vehicle fleet. What is best for us here in Taranaki? The targets of the Regional Land Transport Plan is to improve safety, increase trips made by walking, cycling and public transport, and for there to be less travel disruption for road traffic. To achieve these targets requires a change of focus. A focus on rail. Peter Reedy, the CEO of Kiwi Rail, says,
and we're out there talking with councils about helping you with the investment to get it into your plan. Once it's in your plan, we can then take it through with Waka Kotahi to get on the National Land Transport Plan. And then we can get the infrastructure to support it.
Let's get it written in black and white that Taranaki wants rail. 1. To move freight from trucks to rail. And there are more than just log trucks making that trip daily along State Highway 3 to the port. Part of achieving this target would be making sure there were commercial vehicle regional safety centres and that Kiwi Rail was incentivising freight to be moved by rail. Secondly, we need to have a feasibility study on passenger rail moving people from New Plymouth South, working with Horizons to connect up to passenger rail in Palmerston North and through to Wellington. Thirdly, the Stratford-Okahukura line for freight and passenger rail opened up. This is going to be extremely important in our future as part of our province's emergency response plans. It may end up being our very lifeline. Let's look to rail for our traffic solutions. As Kiwi Rail so aptly puts it, stronger connections, better New Zealand.